Guys, you need to look at this. A car, school bus, and pickup truck has crashed near East 25th Street and North Keystone Avenue. I'll unmute the video and show you this. It's gonna be on the news, so watch closely. They said the school bus was the cause of this crash. The pickup truck was set on fire, and it has burnt down. They also was gonna do drug testing and more stuff.
25th Street. Nearby Keystone and 25th Street, y'all. This is crazy. The fire department's on this way right now. It's a massive vehicle collision right now. A massive vehicle collision. They just... Oh my God. Oh my God, right now. I'm about to have a panic attack. Look at that.
This is horrible. Did the person get out of the car?
A legit truck is on fire. Fire department arrived. Oh my gosh. It's crazy right now. This is horrible right now. Get the fire department, put out that fire right now. Everybody is literally at this right now. Shoot.
Later on, they have put out the fire and will take care of the incident in a while. I'm praying for everyone to hope nobody gets injured and get killed.
Burnt. It cannot be driving anymore. That pickup truck is burnt. It's done. They need to take that out. My dad's FaceTiming me right now. Hold on.
Thanks for watching, y'all. And also, I'm back from YouTube on my vlog channel. So, I haven't made video for about 2 months, but I'll make more videos soon. Bye y'all, and see you in the next videos.